I'm Professor Volt. Welcome to Managerial Accounting. This is my introductory welcome video. I'm in my home office. I have an iPad recording me. I have a script right there because I want to make sure I know what I need to say. And over there, I have my syllabus. So you'll see me turn my head every now and then to see what's on the syllabus to refer to it. I'm asking each of you to do a video as well with your iPhone or whatever, just a short minute or two to introduce yourselves, and I thought I should do one as well. So let's see. I've been at the Citadel for over 25 years. I have 3 kids, one in the Army. I have a son at Clemson, and I have a daughter in high school. I teach sophomore level accounting classes and senior level accounting classes, and I love what I do. I'll be teaching in New York City at the end of the summer, and teaching this class online. So I'm looking forward to interacting with you virtually as we go through this online class in the end of June through the month of July and halfway through August. So this is an interesting course. It's got lots of content, and if you've never taken an online class, you're in for a very unique educational experience. This class has lots of tools to help you to understand the business world, to make decisions in the business world, and it's very useful. As a cost accounting class, it helps you to prepare costs of products and to understand budgets and things like that. So let me start with telling you a little bit about the course, and there's a video about the syllabus that will give you a little more details. The first 2 chapters are financial accounting, left over from your 212 course, statement of cash flows, financial statement analysis. On July the 12th, you'll be getting back in touch with me with a company that you've selected to analyze, and that's sort of a capstone project. The project will be due on the 19th, and I'm going to double check that date on my syllabus, which is over here. I hope you do a lot of double checking with your syllabus as well. Yep, it's due on the 19th, and you'll be selecting a company using the template that's found on SitLearn and preparing an analysis of a company to see whether or not you think it's a strong company. So this course is going to be very useful for concluding the financial accounting components, and then we'll start understanding about managerial or cost accounting. What does it cost to make a product? How do we allocate overhead? How do you do budgeting? What's the difference in job order and process costing? How many products do we need to make just to even break even, or if we want to make a targeted profit? So lots of good, useful information in this course that's used by managers everywhere. So how to do this course? It's self-paced. It's disciplined. In a normal semester, you meet 45 hours, and so you need to anticipate that kind of time for this course because accounting is always challenging. So print out the syllabus now. It's important that you look from day to day to ensure that you've got the due dates down pat. The course runs from Wednesday through Tuesday, except the first and last week, which are off a little bit. But I've done that so that on a Tuesday night, if you've got some homework due or some quizzes due, you can get some help from ITS. And their number is 843-953-4357. Also keeps from destroying your weekends. So keep in mind that things close on Tuesday. Once an item closes, a quiz, homework, an exam, it will not be opened up. The close dates are firm. There are lots of opportunities for you to study and learn this material. You're going to Cengage now for your ebook, for homework. There's videos and quizzes there. But there are quizzes with assignments on SitLearn that I have prepared. There are narrated PowerPoints that I have made. There are YouTube videos. There are pencasts. I've got some videos on how to do pencasts. I've got videos on the annual report project. I suggest that you don't rely on your book when you take an exam because you're not going to have enough time with a timed exam, but you're going to need to have studied all of these pencasts and videos and read the book and watched the narrated PowerPoints in order to be successful in this course. So when you finish watching this video, be sure to review the syllabus carefully, buy the book. I've talked about how to do so in the syllabus. Familiarize yourself with the Cengage Now link and get started. Note that grades will be recorded on SitLearn, but I'm going to have a separate grade sheet that knows what's going on cumulatively. So as you want to know what you're doing as far as your progress goes, you can go to your SitLearn grades. But of course, I won't be averaging grades until the end of the course, which is in August. And just again, remember, check your emails daily. I don't text each student, but you need to check those emails daily. You need to participate in the discussion boards. You need to prepare your homework once a week. You need to do the discussions once a week. The exams will be coming. There's 3 of them. Exam 1 is 2 chapters. Exam 2 is 4 chapters. The final exam has some cumulative terms, but it also covers 4 chapters. And I think you can find that this is a very successful course. It allows you to use your book and to use the internet. You may not work with other people, but I think you're going to learn a lot in this managerial accounting class. So I look forward to hearing from each of you, to watching your videos. Remember to load it up to the discussion board for extra credit, and I'm here if you need help. Have a great semester, and I hope you're enjoying your summer.